We get asked the question all the time about Zona health and how it relates to senior citizens. And the truth of the matter is a lot of people as they age feel that exercise and stuff like that is something they can't do. And it could just be because energy level. It could be simply because they're worried about being frail or their body. There's some other debilitating something. The beauty about working with the Zona Plus is that using an isometric hand grip exercise actually simulates a cardiovascular workout. In fact, in clinical studies, one of the things that we've learned is that doing an 11.5-minute Zona session is the equivalent of running up and down 3 flights of stairs. It's that much of a cardiovascular workout that you can get a workout without breaking a sweat right from the comfort of your own couch or your living room, or even in the morning at the breakfast table drinking a cup of coffee. Check it out. It's something that people as they age have no excuse to be working out anymore.